Here is my 19 and something Harley Davidson golf cart that I picked up the other day off the internet. I found a guy selling it for $100, so I went and grabbed it before anyone else can. And on the way there, he texted me and told me we just got it running and we're driving it around the neighborhood. So I got a running, driving 19 and something Harley Davidson golf cart. There's a tag for it. 3B is used for a couple different years. Oh, but there it is. $100. It goes forwards, backwards, cool tail lights, good tires. A little ugly, needs some seats and some paint, some headlights and a tune-up. But that's a $100 golf cart.